Hello my little piggies, thanks for checking back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name's Angelique. So for today's video, I just want to do a little sit down, do my makeup and talk to you guys, because I really haven't been uploading videos that much. So yeah, the title of this video is actually inspired by Kia. She is an amazing YouTuber and I would definitely recommend checking her out. I will be leaving her links down in the description. So without further ado, let's roll right on into the video. Some of y'all are about to be real mad at me, but it must be said. I am very unattractive, but that is okay. I will be who I am. Just kidding. Well, kind of. I look like crap right now, but that's okay. Because we're gonna be doing a little whack to snack. Me, this mess, I'm gonna become a whole snack. A whole snack. So, I mean, if you're ready to dive into this journey with me, continue watching. Okay, so first off, to become a snack, well, for me at least, you guys might already be snacks and, I'm just the odd one out. I'm the crumb of the snack. I'm the crumb that no one eats. And then you guys are over here like gourmet meals and I'm just like the little crumb. But that's okay, everyone is a snack in their own ways, but for me to become a snack, I need some makeup. First, I'm gonna begin with priming my face, which I already did. So now I'm gonna go right on into my eyebrows. So actually I use two eyebrow products. The first one that I use is actually this CoverGirl eyebrow pomade. And then the next one that I use is a Ka-Brow Benefit Brows, this one. Hold on. So this isn't really gonna be like a tutorial or anything. I just want to like sit down, chat with you guys, do my makeup. So, how have you guys been? I haven't really been uploading a lot of videos and that's my fault. So I'm so sorry. But you guys, we're almost to 100. 100 little piggies in the little piggy family. So right now we actually have like 95 little piggies, and like I never would have thought that I would have 95 people like tuning into my channel being like, hey, lol, this girl's funny, we're gonna subscribe to her. Like, thank you. I'm gonna be looking over here and doing my makeup, so like my eyebrows, so hopefully you can see me. If I'm not looking in the camera, that's why. But yeah, so I don't know, it's just crazy to me. Like, I don't know if you guys heard my cat, but I appreciate you guys so much. Like, thank you. thank you so much. You have no idea how much it means to me. So yeah, hopefully we can get to, I want to get to 100 by the end of April. So, if you have friends that you think would like my channel, hook them up, be like, hey, y'all, you guys should watch her. She's pretty chill, But yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys so much. Also, for a future video, I asked some of my friends, like, to send me their ghost stories and stuff like that, and you guys, they're like freaking creepy. I don't know if you guys would be interested in me doing a video on that, so if you are, comment down below, let me know, and I will get right on into filming that video for you guys. You know what? Okay, I don't know if you guys are BTS fans, but I am. So, I don't know if you guys have heard, but BTS's new album came out and your girl was shook. I literally have been streaming all day. Don't worry, I'm streaming correctly too. But Dionysus is like, it's my favorite song. And the fact that I'm pretty sure Hobie, oh my god, I just went over my eyebrow. But anyways, like I was saying, the fact that Hobie wrote it, like, I did not know he was that powerful. I knew he was powerful, but I just did not know the extent of, like, see, I can't even speak because he's just so powerful, and his mind. God, I love him. Oh my god, I just love them so much. And like Yoongi's voice, oh my god, Halsey too, oh my god. If you don't know me, I am the biggest Halsey fan. My first concert was literally a Halsey concert when she was opening for Imagine Dragons. And this, like, literally, I was hoping she would do it at her concert, but she didn't. She used to do this thing, in one of her songs, she used to, like, get on the floor and, like, do this, like floor work, and I was like, oh my god, my wife. And, like, she's just so amazing. And, like, the fact that she speaks out about, like, racial inequality. Halsey's biracial, if you didn't know. Her dad's black. Sorry, I'm, like, having allergies. And then, like, with Halsey and BTS collabing, I'm just, like, shook all over the place because I don't know what to do. Because, like, they're both on my faves. But, yes, I just love Halsey. I wish she had more lines. And, like, I understand that it, like, wasn't her song. But, I mean, she could have gotten more lines. That's what I'm saying. Jin also could have gotten more lines. Like, Big Hit, y'all doing my baby dirty. Give my son, not even my son, my husband, give him more lines. Like, he deserves it. He is amazing. His voice just does not just suit ballads, it suits everything because he is that powerful. He is that. Okay, Big Hit, he is that. So, I mean, y'all better give him more lines. Also, like, the subunit, I'm not sure if they're gonna release more songs because I'm kind of scared. Like, BTS, they honestly scare me because I heard on this album it's like track A, like, what if we get like track B or track C, and I'm scared. What if it's like a 3-parter? What if it's like the Love Yourself out? I'm just scared. Okay, I'm shook, I am scared, I don't know what to do. I just don't know anymore. Like, I'm just scared, I'm shooketh. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with like a pink look, so I'm gonna prime my eyelids with some concealer. What if like someone just walked out the house like this and they're like, couture? Oh my god, I bet you, like, I love fashion, like street fashion, high-end fashion, stuff like that. But I bet you, like, if this hasn't been done already, it's going to be done. Like, hold on, I'm trying to do it. Like, this is going to be done in a high-end fashion. Like, it is going to be done. Trust me. And if it does happen, I want someone to tag me in it. Or if it has happened already, I, like, literally find this look in a fashion runway and tag me in it. Or, like, send me it or something. DM me it on Instagram. My Instagram will be right here. Follow me. My Instagram's also in the background if you can't see. My dog's Instagram and my Instagram. I also, this one's so weird, but I made an Instagram account for my cats. Yep, you heard me right. My cats. They deserve it. They're like little cuties. I love my cats. I got this straw from Guess Style. And guess what, y'all? Special announcement. Your girl, that's me, has become a part of the Yes Style influencers. So, you can use my code. I will put it down right here. And I love the color pink. What's your guys' favorite color? Let me know down below. I love, like, how BTS, this whole video is just gonna be like BTS. But you know what? I don't care. It's my channel. If you don't like it, leave. But if you do like it, hello. we are now best friends. Come over to my house on Saturday for a sleepover. You know, we can talk about BTS, we can talk about Halsey, you know, we can just talk about bands in general. I like the 1975. Do you like the 1975? Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I forgot where I was going because I started talking about the 1975. Yes. The 1975. Oh, babies. I love them. They're just little cuties. They're grown men, but they're little cuties. Like, I love them so much. Also, I like to slouch over a lot, so that's why I'm like, I probably should stop that. That's probably why I like walk all weird and stuff, but you know what? That's fine. No, it's not fine, Angelique. It's not fine. I forgot what I was gonna say. I do that a lot. I need a better memory. Like, why didn't the creator bless me with a memory that was great, you know? Like, what the hecky universe, why must you curse me? Literally, I'm cursed. My sister says I look like Momo. You know that one statue that's like, she says I look like her, and I'm like, that is so rude. So rude. But you know what else? Like, I feel really bad for the creator who created that statue, because he's probably like, oh yeah, you know, this is a great statue, look at my artistic abilities. And then like all these people like started using it as like a creepypasta and stuff, and he was like, oh, what the heck, all my hard work and this is what it's come to, you know what I mean? Like, I just feel really bad for him in that aspect, because that's like, literally, he probably didn't even mean for that statue to like intend to be that way, but then like people went and then they were like, hey, this is kind of creepy, you know, let's scare the children on the forums, on the line. So I just feel really bad for him. I think I'm gonna like do a like little cut crease. I haven't done my eyeshadow in forever, so if this looks bad, forgive me. Like, I'm not good at eyeshadow to begin with, so forgive me. So I'm like scared. I have a habit of slouching, like I said, and I need to stop it. I got the title Whack to Snack from this YouTuber Kia. Okay, if you guys have not like watched Kia's channel, you're honestly missing out, because she is the most funniest YouTuber, like genuinely funny. I just love her so much. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen that video, like that viral video of that sim that's dying, and then the girl that's on the computer screams, Olivia! Olivia! Because she's dying, and then like all of a sudden the sim's dog comes out with a fire extinguisher and like starts extinguishing the sim. That's literally it came from Kia. And after like watching that video, I looked her up, and she's just like the funniest YouTuber, Simstuber, YouTuber in general. And she has this series where she goes over to like if you don't play The Sims, there's like households in The Sims that you can go to, like the Goth family, the Landgrab family, the Pancakes family, and stuff like that. And she does this thing called, ooh, why is that pink? Anyways, she does this thing called Whack to Snack. And essentially, Whack to Snack is where she goes into the households and then gives them makeovers, because, you know, Max's Match, it ain't it, baby. Max's Match is just, like, kind of nasty. Like, if you like playing with Max's Match, you know, that's your thing, go ahead. Personally, I don't like playing with Max's Match. I like Alpha CC, and that's just how I like my Sims to look. But sometimes, like, Max's Match can be cute, but the Sims that are already in the game, sometimes they be looking like a whole mess. Like Judith Ward, for example. She's a young adult, I'm pretty sure she's a young adult or an adult. And she looked like a whole old lady, like a whole elder. And it's like, Judith, what? Judith, why did they do you dirty? I don't know, but they did. I'll just link some of Kia's videos down below. If you're interested, definitely go check her out. I don't know what I want to do with this. You know what? I think I'm gonna add some glitters. I'm scared. I haven't used this green. Wait. Why do I like it? Oh my god, that's actually kind of pretty. Why am I so shook? Oh my god, wait. Hold on. I think I'm gonna do some eyeliner. I'm gonna do my foundation real quick. You know, hopefully this will like pull everything together because I kind of look like a hot mess right now. Like, I don't know. I thought I liked it, but I don't know now. I'm kind of scared. I also have a new pimple here. Like, hello, do you see her? She needs to leave. I need to evict her. Anyways, that is all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to your girl if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Subscribe this YouTube channel!